Breathe in, finals week. Breathe out, finals week. Everything will be okay. Unless it won't, because it's 2020.
Okay, guys, in all seriousness, don't freak out about finals. Just follow these steps. Breathe, make a plan, drink lots of water, don't pull an all-nighter. You'll just be exhausted and your brain won't work. So just study a bit every day. Don't cram it all in at the last minute, and you'll be fine. And also remember, guys, if you fail a class this semester, it's okay. If you have to retake a class, it's okay. It happens to most students at some point. And there's also a global pandemic, and life is really hard. Okay? So be gentle with yourselves, but also make a plan. So I do want to go over our final, which is pretty easy, but will take time, and you should not wait till like an hour before it's due, because it will take more than that. Final, it's a PowerPoint. Okay? It's not an exam. It's a PowerPoint. We love PowerPoint in this class. The first thing you do need to do, though, is go ahead and download HonorLock and make sure you know how to use that. Right? So you're going to finish your final, and then when you're ready to submit it, you'll start HonorLock, and you'll have to smile and show your ID and just show that you are submitting it in a secure manner. This is due Thursday by midnight, the 10th, which I think is Thursday. So don't wait until like 10:50 or 11:55 to submit, just in case you have any issues. And this cannot be late. This is not like 10% late, like your final is due at midnight, not a second later, or it will be a 0. Yeah. You're making a PowerPoint that you would give to new students. So like, okay, I did a semester in college. Here's the advice I would give you. Okay, so it's 13 slides, introduction. Or a slide that's like, hi, my name. Second slide is an introduction. Then there's 10 slides of advice. And then there's a conclusion, all right? So, and it could be like, your title would be like, 10 things I wish I'd known about college, or make sure to never take Miss Goff's class, or don't take classes online, whatever you learn from this semester. Always take Mrs. Goff's classes. She's the best. So the first introduction is 150 to 300 words, and I will count them, or the computer will count them. So, okay, make sure you do that. Then you have 10 slides, and that advice also has to be 150 to 300 words. So it's a fair amount of writing. It can be very casual. You don't need to Google anything or read a book. It's just like your own words. And then you have the conclusion, again, at least 150 words. And make sure it looks good. Make sure you put like all of this advice in the notes pane, not on the slide itself, on the notes panel, right? Because the slide itself should be visually appealing, easy to look at, quick. And also every semester people cheat and plagiarize on the final. They go to websites and they Google advice and they copy and paste. And every semester I catch people and they get a 0 and they get reported to the dean. Please don't do that. Just use your own words. Just write. This is what I learned. I took this biology class. My teacher was like this, and then this happened. Just write. It does not have to be brilliant. Okay? I mean, you're all brilliant. You're all brilliant. But you don't need to plagiarize to make this, just to make this sound eloquent or something. Just write words from your heart and mind. Thank you. Bye.